Okay, good morning students. Now today I have decided that I will teach you informal letter. Earlier I taught you a few formal letters. So today I have decided that I will make you write a few informal letters. So what is informal letter? Once you write a letter to your friend, to your parents, to your cousin, to your relatives, so those letters are called informal letter. And once you write a letter to the principal, to the editor, to the counselor, I mean usually with whom you actually maintain a formal relation, those letters are called applications or formal letters. But today I will teach you informal letter. It is very easy, but definitely the letter, the language that you are using matters a lot. तो जिस लैंग्वेज का इस्तेमाल करते हैं तो उसका तो बहुत ही अर्थपूर्ण हो जाता है, राइट? सो ऑलरेडी आई रोट this particular topic. I mean the heading, that is heading is writing informal letter. You are understanding. Now I am reading. You are Atul. Sometimes the name is given. जो चिट्ठी लिख रहा है उसका नाम भी दे रखा है. So you are Atul, a capital letter. First write the question as well. You are Atul living in Sikar. Your friend is in Abu Road. Write a letter congratulating him on his success in the school examinations. Means your friend lives in Abu Road and you live elsewhere. So you have full freedom to choose the place. You may write Udaipur, you may write Sikar, whatever. Once it is not mentioned where you live, you may write anything. But you have to mention Abu Road as well. जिसे दे रखा है उसे लिखना ही होगा. Please don't forget this. So this is all about the question. Now I am starting the letter, right? So the body of the letter, you know very well, on the extreme left, किसको लिखते हैं हम? We write the address of the writer who is writing the letter or the sender of the letter. मतलब जो चिट्ठी लिखता है उसके एड्रेस को हमें ऊपर डालना पड़ता है. कहाँ पे? एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट. Don't write at the middle. Always write at the extreme left corner, okay, of the page. For example, you have to write here at the extreme left of the page. I am showing you. Please don't write from here. Write from here only. Okay, now I am starting. First you mention on the left hand side, you have to mention your address, right? You may write any address because no one is going to investigate whether it is your correct address or not. तो खुद का जो एड्रेस उसे भी डाल सकते हो, दूसरे एड्रेस को भी डाल सकते हो. तो here I am writing as well. First I am writing your address, I am writing answer. On the left hand side I am writing your address, मतलब जो चिट्ठी लिखता है उसका एड्रेस, right? Here I am writing this thing, imaginary definitely. So 122, comma, Rani Sati Lane, here R block letter, S block letter, L block letter. Left hand side पे हम लिख रहे हैं, okay? Now you have to mention the name of the place, I mean the city, comma, the state. Again, as I wrote Sikar and Rajasthan, you have to write S block in block letter and Rajasthan R block letter. And below you have to mention today's date. So today's date is 22nd of June. So I am writing today's date. You may write in this manner 22nd ND को ऊपर लिख देते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. June J block letter, comma, 2020. You may write in this manner or you may write 22/06/2020, whatever you want. Now I am starting. After this leave one line, एक line छोड़ दो, right? उसके बाद क्या लिखना है? Definitely you have to write the name of the friend, right? So here write my. So on the extreme left, again left hand side पे लिखना है. Don't write from the middle. My dear, you have to take a name, imaginary name. I am writing Nipun and your name is given, it is Atul, right? My dear Nipun. So in block letter, don't give any comma, no requirement of giving a comma. Then below, don't leave any line. इसके नीचे line मत छोड़ो. I am extremely pleased to know I am extremely pleased to know your success. You may not know about your success, doesn't matter. Full stop. Give the full stop properly. Now I am writing it is great, or you may write it's great that you passed the annual exam, that you passed. I prefer you should write you passed rather than you have passed. Okay, because you have passed means अभी अभी हुआ, it is not अभी अभी हुआ है, तो and इसका कोई असर भी नहीं है. Okay, that's why I am using past simple. I am telling you the logic why I used you passed. You passed the annual exam, ANNUAL exam, securing 92% marks overall. So aggregate 92% marks. That's why your friend got this. That's why you are congratulating him. Clear? Now I am sure you may write I am, you may write I apostrophe am. Both are okay. I am sure, comma, you must be feeling great. तुम्हें बहुत ही अच्छी फीलिंग हो रही होगी. That is the meaning. You must be feeling, FEELING, great, GREAT, full stop. Write the spellings very correctly as well. But one suggestion, because you are a friend, you are free to give any suggestion, right? But one suggestion, SUGGESTION, comma, one suggestion. No, don't give any comma, because here I am writing that don't be complacent, COMPLACENT. What is the meaning of complacent? Over satisfied, extremely satisfied, extremely self satisfied, because complacency means atma santushti. So atma santusht, it is complacent. If you are very complacent, then you will collapse like this, right? You must remember this thing. So already I wrote that don't be complacent. Clear? Keep studying. Keep studying. After this I have to erase, otherwise it will go below, you won't be able to see. So I am erasing this part. Okay, so I wrote keep studying, then no full stop actually. Keep studying hard, तो बहुत मेहनत करते जाओ, that is the meaning. Keep studying hard, and I am, you may write like this, I am sure, comma, lot more success, कामयाबी, सफलता. You may write successes, doesn't matter. Lot more successes are yet to come. I am using are, so you have to use the plural form. Are yet to come means और भी सफलता आने वाली है, भविष्य में आएगी. That is the meaning. Are yet to come. Full stop. If you secured, you may write scored, you may write obtained, right? If you secured lesser marks, अगर आपको किसी सब्जेक्ट में कम मार्क्स मिले हैं, lesser marks in any subject, learn that more, कॉमा डाल दो उसके बाद, और भी उसको ज्यादा पढ़ो. दैट इज द मीनिंग. लर्न दैट मोर एंड ब्रश अप योर आइडियाज. ब्रश अप मीन्स उसको साफ सफाई, उसकी साफ सफाई करना मीन्स इंप्रूव करना, दैट इज द मीनिंग यू आर गेटिंग हियर. एंड ब्रश अप, BRUSH, ब्रश अप. Your ideas, so you need to brush up your ideas as well. Give a full stop after this. Brush up your ideas once again. So you are about to complete the letter, so you should remind your friend that he must be studying hard as well. He should not undergo any dereliction of study, that is the meaning. So once again, yani dobara, once again, heartiest congratulations. What is the meaning of heartiest? हार्दिक शुभेच्छाएं या बधाइयां, that is the meaning. Once again, comma, heartiest, HEART, then IEST, heartiest congratulations. You should use S plural number, okay. Congratulations on your grand, on बोलते हैं, okay, on your grand success, तो उसके सक्सेस पर, on your grand success. It is all about the body of the letter, informal letter. So the next line, the next few 1-2 sentences you should write in another paragraph, okay, because the overall you have told, you have talked a lot. तो इसके बाद हम जिसे लिखेंगे तो दूसरे एक पैराग्राफ में लिखने वाले हैं. So from the middle, don't leave any line, only write from the middle of the page, then it will look like a different paragraph. I think you understood. Please convey my regards to your parents. So regards means in Hindi pranam actually, because for pranam there is no word, right? Please, sometimes you may mention please convey my pranam as well, PRANAM, no problem at all, but it is not an English word, that's why I am writing this. Please convey my regards, plural number, GARDS, to, convey means प्रेरित करना, right, बताना, to your parents. If you want you may write uncle and aunt as well, right? Parents, full stop. I wait for your reply. I wait for your reply. Same, I will wait, okay. Stylish way of writing, I wait for your reply. Stop. Take care. So the letter is complete. After that you have to write, you are writing the letter to your friend, so respectfully, sincerely, please don't mention it. Looks very, it doesn't match properly, right? It sounds very ridiculous actually. So you should write, the best is yours lovingly. Yours, Y, every time I stress on this, Y, capital letter, YOURS, no apostrophe. R के बाद apostrophe नहीं डालनी है, बिल्कुल नहीं डालनी है. Yours lovingly, but L small letter. After care you may leave one line, if you want एक line छोड़ सकते हो. Yours lovingly. Now your name is given Atul, already it is given, so you have to mention that name only, and then you may mention one surname if you want, right? तो I am here writing Atul, A capital letter. पहले letter को पढ़ लो, देखो कि नाम दे रखा है या नहीं. See whether any name is given or not, okay. Atul, and I am mentioning one surname. Here I am writing Goswami, so G capital letter. Whatever surname you write, capital letter. The letter is complete. So it is letter number 1. Now I'll make you write letter number 2. Today I have decided that I'll make you few informal letters, different types of informal letters. Sometimes you are writing to your friends, sometimes you are writing to your parents, or father or mother or cousin, or stuff like that. I am erasing this part. I am starting the second letter, letter number 2. So first, let me, already same heading, right? Letter, informal letter. same heading as well. Then I am starting to write the question. So here I am writing you, it is a question, you are Mehul, M capital letter. Please write the question without writing the question, don't write the letter. पहले question को उतार लो, पूरी तरह उतार लो, उसके बाद ही आंसर लिखो. You are Mehul living in Bikaner, B capital letter. You are Mehul are living, don't write because already you are using are. So this you are Mehul, you are living. So this are is common for both, Mehul के लिए भी और living के लिए भी. ठीक है, living in Bikaner, full stop. You recently visited a book fair. You recently visited a book fair. Write a letter to your friend. तो तुम कई दिन पहले बुक फेयर विजिट करे थे, तो दोस्त को इसके बारे में कुछ इंफॉर्मेशन देनी है. राइट, राइट अ लेटर friend describing the fair. So it is all about the question. ठीक है. So now I'll have to write the answer. I'm erasing the right wrote. इसके बाद क्या लिखना है? Find out you are Mehul. तो जो चिट्ठी लिखता है उसका नाम दे रखा है, मीन्स नीचे लास्ट में मेहुल ही लिखना है. यू कैन नॉट राइट योर ओन नेम, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट दिस टाइप ऑफ थिंग. हियर इफ यू डू दिस देन यू आर क्वाइट स्मार्ट. ओके, so again the person who is writing the letter, you have to write, you are writing the letter, so you have to write one address. It is your address but imaginary definitely. तो पहले एक एड्रेस डाल दो कुछ भी. So here I am writing एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट में ही लिखना है, बीच में बिल्कुल नहीं डालना है. 25 common because usually in all the places if there is a station then there should be a station road name station road, right? So station capital R capital, comma capital Rajasthan, लाइन बिल्कुल बीच में नहीं छोड़नी है, डोंट एनी लाइन. Or you may write 20 June, 2020, doesn't matter. Anything you may write. After this, leave one line, एक लाइन छोड़ दो इसके नीचे. Friend's name is not given, though is not given or her name is not given. So here I have chosen the name Dear Manoj. Again doing anything? Question mark. I am superb. मैं बढ़ता हूँ. That is superb. If you write I am fine, it's very hackneyed, overused word, right? I am superb. You will be happy to know. Double L means you will be happy to know. You will be happy to know that last week I visited. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट नहीं आएगा, पास्ट सिंपल. लास्ट वीक आई विजिटेड अ बुक ऑन द मीला ग्राउंड. इमेजिनरी नेम. जहां पे मेला लगता है यूजुअली उस प्रांगण का नाम क्या हो सकता है? मेला ग्राउंड. सो यू हैव टू अप्लाई योर वे ऑफ थिंकिंग, राइट? सो आई विजिटेड अ बिग बुक फेयर ऑन द apostrophe write down Mela ground in the city, or immediate in the city of Bikaner, in the city, full stop. All the students, तो स्कूल से एक टीचर बच्चों को लेके गए थे. A teacher went there, taking all the students to the Mela ground as well. So now write down all the students of our class, all the students of our class paid a visit. It's a way of talking. Visited इससे बेहतर क्या है? पे विजिट बोलते हैं, मतलब जाना होता है. तो पास्ट पेड, paid a visit. पायनियर का मतलब क्या होता है? पहले जो चलता है, आगे आगे जो चलते हैं, राइट? सो पायनियर्ड बाय पायनियर्ड एंड ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स फॉलोड हिम. बाय you make a dash, without dash doesn't matter, full stop. The ground was dotted by, now I am आफ्टर दिस आई एम राइटिंग. क्लास टीचर के बाद मैंने फुल स्टॉप डाल रखा है. तो नाउ राइट डाउन ग्राउंड. जब एक ग्राउंड पे बहुत सारे दुकान लगती है तो डॉट डॉट ऊपर से कैसे दिखती है? ये डॉट डॉट जैसे दिखती है, राइट? That's why it is a way of saying the ground was dotted by, or you may write studded by, studded. Okay, so the ground was dotted by many book stalls, किताबों की दुकान है, right? Book stalls and kiosks. I think you know what is kiosk? Temporary, dangler, standby, something like this. तो अचानक एक पर्टिकुलर स्टैंड होता है जिसे बैठा देते हैं और उसके पीछे दो बैठे हुए होते हैं. Two people are sitting and then they can sell books as well. Not very formal type of shop. That is the meaning of kiosk. Kind of tent as well. Okay. Full stop. Then many famous organizers. Many in Delhi, you know, there are many famous organizers because Delhi is famous for publishing, book publishers as well, right? Many famous organizers, ZER, SER, both are okay, दोनों ही सही होते हैं. Organizers participated, हिस्सा लिए थे, participated in the fair, FAIR. If you by mistake write FAIR fair, that is kiraya, FAIR mela, right? And released many books. Released many books. I purchased past tense definitely. You may write I bought as well, BOUGHT, same. I purchased 2-story books. बुक फेयर में क्या होता है? यू मे अवेल द बुक एट डिस्काउंटेड प्राइस. डिस्काउंट्स आर गिवन 15%, 20%, अप टू मे बी 30% एज वेल, राइट? Surprisingly, I have to erase this part as well. New करना, तो you are using passive voice was availed with respect to the maximum retail price. So if the price of the book ₹170, full stop. The fairground was very crowded. Definitely the fairground was very crowded. Full stop. The fairground was very crowded. Many food stalls, खाने की दुकान, many food stalls were also erected. Erect का मतलब होता है अचानक बना लेना. Were also erected, ERECTED, erected. I at last availed a coupon. एक कूपन मैंने अवेल किया था, राइट, एंड परचेज्ड a dictionary is very important, and purchased DICTIONARY dictionary, right, at 25%, at 25% discount. ठीक है. So if the price of the dictionary was 600 rupees, then you bought the dictionary at 450 rupees. That is the meaning. We had a lot of fun. तो बहुत बच्चे गए थे. Definitely you had a lot of fun and frolic, you may write, but fun is better, right. Few authors, तो क्या होता है एक्चुअली, जो बुक फेयर होता है उसमें कई बार ऑथर्स भी आ जाते हैं. Few authors are also present. Sometimes they also give autographs as well. Sometimes they release their own books as well, right. So few authors were giving autographs and I also collected, तो मैं भी उनके पास गया था. I also collected autographs from them. Sometimes it happens that you purchased his book only and he is sitting. Now he will give autograph in the same book, the book that he wrote. Okay. From them, बहुत सारे authors है, that's why them definitely. I had never seen so many books. I had, उसके पहले मैंने इतनी बुक मैंने कभी देखी नहीं थी. I had never seen so many books. I had never seen so many books. So first paragraph is complete. Now second paragraph, very small, 1 or 2 sentences are remaining. तो बीच में से लिखना है, right? From the middle of the page, please convey my regards to your parents please of yourself, it's a way of saying, तो अपना ख्याल रखना, that is the meaning. Yourself, write together, don't give a space between your and self. I understand all sorts of mistakes that few students tend to do, right? Yourself, तो चिट्ठी हो गई खत्म. नाउ इसके बाद क्या करना है, एक लाइन छोड़ दो, लीव वन लाइन, और नीचे क्या डालोगे, अगेन सेम थिंग, एक लाइन छोड़ने के बाद योर्स, वाई कैपिटल, विदाउट एपोस्ट्रोफी नहीं आएगी, एपोस्ट्रोफी इसके पहले, योर्स लविंगली, you are writing to your friend, your name is given, so Mehul, M capital letter, and give one surname as well. So here I am writing Tandon, so T capital letter, done. 2 letters have already been done.